Adam, our representative head, brought the destructive, decaying force of sin and death into this world. The second Adam, Christ, brought to earth the dynamic power of his sinless, eternal life. Adam, but a man. Jesus, both God and man. The first Adam handed down to you the bondage of sin, alienation from God, and the eventual judgment before God. The second Adam gifts you justification, a right standing with God. Adam brought into the world the relentless reign of death. Jesus brings the gracious reign of his eternal life. Adam plunged us into sin so that we drown in it. Jesus rescues us out of our sin and into his righteousness. One man led to condemnation for all. The other leads to eternal acceptance for all men who will trust in him by faith.